HP Instant Ink is a print subscription service. Never run out. Get ink or toner, plus hassle-free delivery and recycling, all starting at $1.99 a month. Once you've confirmed your plan and completed your enrolment, we'll send your welcome kit. Depending on your printer, it looks a bit like this. You'll receive ink or toner cartridges, a welcome brochure with instructions for setup, and our easy-to-use recycling program. When your current ink or toner cartridges are empty, replace them with the new instant ink cartridges from your welcome kit. When you hear the click of the cartridges going into your printer, you're officially good to go. From that point on, you'll enjoy the savings and convenience of never running out of ink again. Save even more and earn 3 months of printing with our Refer a Friend program. Share the love through your Instant Ink account manager. For every referral who signs up, you and your friend get 1 month free. HP Instant Ink. Never run out and save up to 50% on ink or toner. Sign up today to start saving.